Representative Marika Coleman. She's here. I'd like to thank her, member of the state legislature, member of the House. And what committee are you on, Marika?
There are many of us actually that do advocate in Montgomery for public transit. Just not enough of us right now in order to pass a bill. But there have been many of us, and there will be more of us here tonight, but we do have a public hearing tonight as well on an annexation. And we've made as a legislature, we've made, a Jefferson County delegation, we've made a commitment that anytime there are de-annexations or annexations because of what happened in the city of Bessemer, we want to hear from the people. But there are folks in Montgomery who do understand the need for public transit, who are fighting for public transit. We've just got to continue to fight. I'm excited to be here tonight. Are you excited to be here tonight? This is a mass meeting. And the history of the mass meeting is, once we walk out of the doors, we take this message on to the people in our community. So I'm excited to be here tonight and to come out here and see so many friendly faces. I'm looking at Miss Sarah Price right now. You gave an elected official a microphone and you did not give me a time limit. And to see Dalton Hicks and other folks, many folks that are in the audience tonight. I see one of my constituents, Ms. Douglas, over there, fighters for public transit. And I'm just glad to be at home. When I walked in here tonight, I see Jack in the back as well. I see so many, I'll get in trouble, I'll keep on calling names. I feel at home. For many years in the Alabama legislature, I'm starting my 9th year, I felt like a spy. Like finally I get to know what these people say, you know, when the advocates leave the room. So tonight in this room, I feel at home. Thank you to Scott Douglas and many others in the room who have kept up the fight for many, many, many years. I see you many, many years, and I'm still here, I'm still fighting, and we've just got to get a few more folks along with us. Oh, Scott asked me to do this one thing. The committee that I've been appointed in the minority party now, I've been appointed on the Transportation, Utilities, and Infrastructure Committee. Yay! Very excited about that. And we're going to make sure that this committee is just not about roads and bridges. We had a meeting a couple weeks ago with the new DOT director, and I don't know if they knew what they did when they put me on this committee. But I'm excited to be there, and I'm going to continue to fight. And thank you so much for many of you in this room that have been supportive of me. There have been times that when I felt low, and you will call me up, tap me on the shoulder, and say, keep up the fight, and I thank you so much for that. Thank you, Scott.